Hey guys, check out this ultrasonic cleaner I have here. Modular design with UV light. It's white in color. Deep clean and 99.9% germ. All right, just pulled everything out of the box. Here's everything that comes with it. Right here you got the lid. Then you got the cleaning basin right here. And then you have the base here. Comes with some tweezers for your stuff too. You can see here, we're gonna go fill this thing up now to the max fill line. I'm gonna use just regular water. Okay, you can see now I got the water to the max fill line. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and plug it into the outlet. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this fully submerged in the water there. Now I'll go ahead and put the lid on. This ultrasonic cleaner has 4 modes of cleaning. Mode 1, which is right here. You select it just by lightly pressing that button. Mode 1's daily cleaning, it's white. Ultrasonic cleaning runs continuously for 5 minutes with UV light operating simultaneously, ideal for everyday cleaning. There's mode 2, which is green. This is deep cleaning, a 10-minute pulse ultrasonic mode where the ultrasonic system works for 2 seconds and pauses for 1 second in between cycles. This start-stop pattern creates bursts of energy from water molecules, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The UV light also runs for 10 minutes during this mode. It's recommended for deep cleaning of stubborn residues. You got mode 3 here, which is red. This is a continuous 10-minute ultrasonic cleaning cycle with no UV light. And there's mode 4, UV sterilization only. It's 10-minute UV light sterilization without ultrasonic cleaning. It's ideal for post-cleaning sterilization and hygienic storage. All right, now you can see how dirty the water is. So what you do is just take your tweezers, get your piece out. Change the water if you need to too, which is what I'm gonna do. You can set your piece right there to dry too.